Imagine a world where your business thrives, reaching potential customers at the click of a button. Welcome to digital marketing, the virtual marketplace where every interaction counts. In the heart of this domain, we find search engine optimization, or SEO, a tool that propels your website to the forefront of search results. It's a game changer, folks, and it's all about the right keywords. Then there's social media marketing. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are not just for selfies anymore. They are powerful tools that can drive traffic, build brand awareness, and convert followers into customers. And let's not forget email marketing, an oldie but a goodie. Personalized messages can foster customer loyalty and increase sales. Lastly, pay-per-click advertising, the fast track to visibility. Every click is an opportunity to convert a curious visitor into a loyal customer. So buckle up. The digital marketing journey awaits. Your business deserves the spotlight, and with these tools, it's well within reach. Until the next time, keep hustling and remember, every click counts.